Hi, Simon Keeling here. Thanks for clicking on the Weather School channel once again. And I just wanted to show you what the rainfall situation is going to be like over the next few days as we go through the weekend, because it's likely we'll see more rainfall than we have done for at least the last month or so. Let me just start off by showing you the percentage of normal precipitation. This is from the American National Weather Service, and it shows you the percentage of normal precipitation that was received in the whole of April. And you can see that here we've got much of England, eastern Wales, all within this red area, and that indicates less than 25% of normal rainfall. A little bit better for the western parts of Scotland, where we saw 75 to 100%, and it's only really these western coasts of Ireland that received 100% of normal rainfall. But you can see how this dry situation extends through much of England and down through France as well, and also very, very dry across much of Central, Eastern Europe and also Scandinavia. By contrast, you see how Iberia has been much, much wetter than normal. In fact, these eastern parts of Spain have seen between 150 and 200% of normal rainfall. Let's hope we can try and address that a little bit though during this weekend. These are the rainfall predictions in 6 hour steps, and this is the rainfall for this evening through Friday evening. It's in millimetres, and the colour shading just is to contour up to show you a little bit more easily where the rainfall actually is. And the lines that you can see here, these are isobars, and they're all around low pressure centred out here to the west of Scotland. So if we knock it on by 6 hours, this is through the early hours of Saturday morning, and you can see how it's predicted to get a pulse of quite heavy rain coming through southern counties of England and into the Midlands, as well as going into northwest England and Scotland too. So we're looking at between 6 and 10 millimetres of rainfall through these areas. That looks about reasonable. I think though for many of us overnight, perhaps only 1 or 2 mil. Saturday morning sees well, here we go with Saturday morning. It seems some outbreaks of rain again, these tending to move their way northwards through the course of the morning and into the afternoon. And you can see here the rainfall focused across northern parts of England, eastern Scotland and also to the north of Wales. Very, very little down here across south eastern England. For Saturday evening, another area of rain is developing, moving its way northwards into southern counties of England and through the Midlands and up into northern England. Here, predicted totals of 2 to 4 millimetres. Through the early hours of Sunday, the focus for the rainfall really turns on to western parts of East Anglia, northern England and southern Scotland. Here we could see 10 plus millimetres of rain, although I think through much of the Midlands and southern England it's more like 1 to 4 millimetres of rain. On Sunday, the more persistent rainfall in the morning is clearing away from Scotland. Still some residual stuff left around northern England, giving a millimetre or so, but all of this across southern parts of England and Wales, well really, that's just showers. Essentially, many areas here dry through Sunday morning. For Sunday afternoon, still some residual rain left down the eastern coast at first, but that clears out of the way, and then I think many parts of the country are effectively going to become dry. Just some scattered showers for southwest England and also into Wales and northwestern parts of England. So let's take a quick look at Sunday night, and this is the rainfall for 12 hours up till 6 o'clock Monday morning. Not a great deal, as you can see, generally dry, may just be a few showers out here towards western coasts. Through Monday itself, this is showers really affecting Scotland, northwest England, Wales, perhaps into the southwest, but very little again through the Midlands, northeast England and also southeastern England. Overnight on Monday into Tuesday, I think we may well see some showers just pushing into East Anglia and South East England. This is a little bit hit and miss as to exactly where this will be, but for most areas it looks as if it is going to be dry. Through Tuesday itself, well, a more showery day on Tuesday looks likely. These showers are constantly funneling in across East Anglia and South East England, may give 2 or 3 millimetres through the day, and I think just a scattering of heavy showers across the country otherwise. Overnight into Wednesday, many areas are dry, just a few showers coming into western parts of Scotland. Elsewhere it's essentially dry. These are just isolated showers, and really you can treat it as being a dry night. And finally, daylight hours through Wednesday, well, an increased risk of some showers across the Midlands and southern England on Wednesday. Also some showers for western Scotland and Ireland, but elsewhere I think it's going to be basically dry. Thanks for watching.